Here's how to bot TikTok followers in 2026. Let's get straight into it. First, go to nazop.com using the link in the description below and create or log into your account using Google Login. It's fast and easy. Next, go to the deposit section and top up your balance using card, crypto, or other available methods. The payments are secure, so just add the amount you need for your order. After that, click on new order, type TikTok followers in the search bar, and select the second option, which costs $6.75 per 1,000 followers. This is the service we are using today. Now paste your TikTok profile link, enter the quantity you want, and for this test, we'll use 100 followers, then click order now. The order will start processing instantly. After a short wait of around 20 minutes, I checked back and the follower notifications started coming in. As you can see, the followers were delivered successfully, making this a working TikTok follower bot for 2026. If you want to try this yourself, head over to nazop.com using the link below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more growth tips.